What is going on, guys? So I had a couple of questions or comments asking me how I went ahead and removed the exhaust tips from the Mark 7 Golf R, and this is me actually in real time removing the covers. So these are slip-ons actually for the Mark 7 OEM Catback, and in reality the Catback exhaust from factory is actually very sophisticated. It's very well designed, kind of over the top for a 4-cylinder 292 horsepower car, but I took them out. From what you can tell here, these are prongs lined in an inner wall that goes ahead and it secures the slip-on covers. And here's another viewing angle from the bottom, and my technique is actually just rocking the covers back and forth, making sure you have a firm grip, and then applying pressure by pulling directly back. And before you know it, it's a little bit intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, it comes off pretty well, or pretty easy. And the whole point of this for me was to paint the covers gloss black, because I was kind of tired of cleaning the chrome tips from the carbon buildup daily, or even like every other day. But as you can tell, these are fixed exhaust tips that are single wall basically, so there is a chance to rust. It gets a little bit dirty, like when I took the covers off, I was making some sort of like unpleasant noises because of the rocks and everything that was stuck inside. So before I put it in, I'm gonna go ahead and just sandpaper it, making sure everything's smooth before I put everything back on. But like I said, the Catback is actually very nice. It actually has a valve system, so when you put in race mode, the valves open up for more aggressive tone. And overall for daily driving, it's a decent Catback, especially if you have a resonated delete, or you throw on a aftermarket downpipe. The stock Catback is actually not bad. Here you see me just finding the perfect, making sure it is fit, or it has a good fitment, before applying pressure and pushing it back. But once you have that good the fitment or alignment, just make sure you don't leave a gap, because you could chance having rocks settled in or being embedded between the covers and the single wall fixed tips. But that's basically the whole process. Hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and take care.